All right, now, see, you got an option to use planko breadcrumbs if you want, but I myself like to use croutons, and I just crush them up in my little bullet here, or you can crush them up the best way you like. I make my own, you know what I'm saying? Just fine and crush up. That's about all we need right there for a pound of meat. All right, what we're going to be using here is a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of garlic, two tablespoons of mayo, a quarter cup of my planko, what actually I made from croutons, and of course I showed you guys that, and a quarter cup of Parmesan cheese. We're gonna get all those mixed all in a bowl together real fast together. Now, before you get them meatballs put on your tray here, let's go ahead and drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil. We don't want nothing sticking here. Just a little bit here. We'll spread it around with whatever you got. All right, now, folks, let me show you this little trick here to keep y'all meatballs consistent. What you want to do, first of all, make sure you got some water here. Just kind of dip your fingertips in there. This is so your meat don't stick to you. But use your tablespoon, scoop your meat out, and just roll you a nice little ball like that. You know what I'm saying? You can do all this with a little tablespoon. Don't overfill it. Just do it like so. So you can have consistent size meatballs, you know. Folks make it to be too hard, you know, but it ain't got to be that hard, people. It don't have to be that hard. Now, I'm going to go ahead and stop the camera while I get all these done. And I'll be right back with you. All right. Now cover and stick in the fridge for about 2 hours. It don't have to be that long. But you can actually freeze them and use them for another time if you want to, because they can be stored. But for now, for cooking purposes, is go ahead and put them in the refrigerator for like 2 hours. All right, folks, now it's time to start cooking them good old meatballs. Now I do know that I said at first, and I'm still going to do it. We coated our pan with a little olive oil because we're going to bake them. But at the same time, I wanted to do a few of them on stovetop. Now, how we finish cooking them is going to be the same, so bear with me. This here is an option if you want to do them on a stovetop or you want to put them in the oven. So let's go ahead and get started with the stovetop first. Then we'll throw the rest of them guys in the oven. Same process as before. We're going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil because we don't want nothing to stick, you know what I'm saying? I'm dropping stuff. Just kind of coat that pan, you know, so your balls don't stick. We don't like sticky balls. You don't like sticky balls. I don't like sticky balls. Who likes sticky balls? All right. Okay, let's go ahead and get that pan heated up a little bit. Come on. Light. There we go. All right. Let's go and get that heated up. And the good thing about these is, you know, we can go ahead and put as many as in here that we want to start off with. And I'm going to go ahead and do half of my pan because the other half is going in the oven. And I did put mine in the freezer. It doesn't matter what you choose. I'm gonna put me about 9 of them babies on the stove top. The rest is going in the oven, and I'm gonna use a toaster oven, of course. Same thing once I put it on broil. Let's go to the toaster oven. Let's get the other one started. All right, folks. Now, yeah, I know I can use my oven, but I'm gonna use the toaster oven. There's no real big of a difference, but we're gonna use this toaster oven here, and we're gonna do bake on here too. I'm gonna go ahead and set the first round for about, it might not call for that long. We're gonna go with 20. We're gonna go with 20 minutes at 350. We're gonna cover them back up because we don't want all our vapors and juices to escape from them. So we're gonna cover these babies up. And I know some of you guys might be saying, why are you doing both? Well, my philosophy for doing both is, let's put that on a little better so it stay. My philosophy for doing them better is because when I have them on the stove, I can flip them and stir them and everything in their own juices and everything. With here, when it falls off onto the little sheet, it falls off. And I'm not here to stir them and keep flipping them and roll them around in their own juices. So that's why I like doing both methods. I prefer the stovetop better. But with the last procedure or method I'm gonna show you guys for finishing off these meatballs, the last one, it don't matter which way you do it. I like doing it on the stove too, also because you get a nice little sear around the meatballs. You can watch how you want it. You can get it all perfect and everything. But we're gonna put these guys in here, let them do their thing, put that rack on top. I mean in the middle, put your foil over there so no one can escape. And we're gonna let it do its thing and we're gonna go back over here to this stove. Oh yeah, it just dawned up on me. Sorry folks, where is my hospitality? I'm showing you folks all this cooking and everything. And I forgot to offer you guys a drink. I'm so sorry. Since you can't be here with me, I'll take the drink for you. I'm sorry, folks. Woo. Yeah, wet that whistle a little bit. Let's keep it rolling. All right, folks. Now what you want to do is get them nice and brown on each side. Just keep on giving them a flip until they brown or to your liking. I like mine to get a nice little thick skin because that last method we have here, that's gonna be like a soaking pretty much, and you'll see. I'm gonna let these go a little bit longer and we're gonna get to that last step, folks. We almost there. Hang in there. All right, now check this, folks. Now you remember you are in the Head Savage Kitchen, so I'm about to show you how to make your own broth with no sodium. Well, it's not quite making your own broth, but you are making your own broth. Check out what I'm saying here. This right here, this Herbox, this stuff right here, and I'm using chicken. I always like the chicken. They have beef, but I'm using chicken. But let me see if I can get you guys focused in on this because, you know, my whole mission is low sodium. I'm still a savage, but I want it to be healthy, right? Check it out, folks. Let's see if I can get you guys zoomed in up on here. You see that? Zero sodium. Zero sodium. It got mad flavor. All you do is boil 1 cup of water per 2 packs. But since I'm a savage, I'm putting 2 packs for 1 cup of water. So let's get that water boiling. Come on with me. All right, we got our water boiling up right here. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this to the side right here. Hit them lights for you guys real quick, cause I like my indigo light shining up there, you know. But anyway, folks, let's go ahead and get us a cup of water right there. And remember what I said, right? I'm putting 2 packs. 1 pack is good enough for the broth, but since there's no sodium, why not 2 times that flavor? We're gonna do that up 2 times for guys. 2 times, keep that in mind. All right. Let that sit and do this thing till we're ready to use it. Our broth be ready to go when it's time to go. All right, folks. After the meatballs have soaked up all the juice, like you see here, they are through. They are ready to pair with anything you like. Man, you can put these on, you can eat them by themselves. You can put them in spaghetti, noodles. Oh, I mean, just the possibilities are endless. I mean, look at those. They are so mouth-watering and scrumptious. Oops, too much. Look at those, girl. My wife tried them. She loved them. She said she loved my balls, guys. I hope she liked my meatballs. She liked my balls. Thank you guys for watching. Try this video. I mean, not try this video. Try this recipe. If you like it, man, let me know in the comments. Subscribe to this channel. Hit that thumbs up for a like. Tell your friends, your family, everybody about this right here. This is good for a potluck. Anything you want to do with it, man. I'm telling you, once they try it, they'll be back and they can't get enough. You won't get enough. Thank you for watching, YouTube. Peace out.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? Thanks for stopping by my channel. Hit that like button, leave me a comment. I drop videos once a week, so hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching. Yeah, you know what to do.